Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add extra floating shutter button in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, in your phone, open camera and here you are seeing shutter button. Okay, suppose if you are going to take a picture, just what will you do? You will usually use this shutter button. Okay, so suppose in some situation you will find a difficulty in pressing this shutter button. Okay, so in such case what will you do? You can use extra shutter button. Okay, you can place that extra shutter button anywhere on the screen and you can easily touch that shutter button to take a photo. Okay, so to set extra shutter button, what you to do is go to the camera of your phone first. Go to camera of your phone and then go to settings icon here, camera settings, and then go to shooting methods, and here turn on this button, floating shutter button, so that one extra shutter button will be available in your camera of interface, and this is extra shutter button. You can move this extra shutter button and place anywhere on the screen. Okay, I here place, and then I am going to take a picture now. Okay, so to take a picture, it is enough to press touch on this shutter button. So it will be very easy for me to touch this shutter button with this finger. Okay, so in this way you can easily use extra shutter button in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.